All right, so here's question number 40. It says the cost for electricity varies directly with the amount of kilowatt hours of electricity used. The cost for using 1,079 kilowatt hours of electricity was $129.48. What was the cost of using 908? Well, obviously it's got to be less than this amount, so you could probably eliminate G for sure, right? All right, so you want to do direct variation, and you then could divide and find out what it is per kilowatt, just using your calculator. When mine turns on, 129.48 divided by 1079 comes out to 12 cents, and that means it's 12 cents per watt. So you could set it up like this, but all that means is it's going to be 12 cents for each watt. So then you want to know what it is for 908, so then you're going to multiply that 908 by 12 cents. Now the 12 cents should already be in your calculator by doing that division. Now just push times 908, and it's 108.96. 108.96. So this is J. All right, and here's number 41. The map shows 5 proposed routes and distances for a new state highway between Camden and US Highway 99. Proposed routes for State Highway 1001. So it says really all that information there. So all you have to do is try to figure out which list shows the distances from least to greatest. So you've got these distances. You need to set them all up in decimal form. 40 is good. Use your calculator, and let's go ahead and do the first one there, 675 divided by 16. It comes out to 42.1875. It's important to line up those place values there. 1875. So this would be like 0.0 here, obviously. So then we're going to do the square root of 2,100. So remember second x squared, 2,111. Square root is 45.94, 45.94, blah, blah, blah. Let's see, 9456. And then the next one, 586 over 13. So you're going to just put that in as 586 divided by 13 on your calculator. Comes out to 45.0769. Oh, wait, hold on. 07. And then this one, a little tricky here. So you should be able to put it into your calculator as 10 and then times, then do second x squared 17. So what that means is it's going to take the calculator is going to find the square root of 17 and then multiply by 10. And it comes out to 41.23. The other way you could do that is to find the square root of 17 first. So second x squared, 17 is 4.123. So then that would be, you multiply that times that 10, and you get this answer. All right, so we're putting these in from least to greatest. So when we look at this, you've got 42, 40, 45, 45, 40. So 40 is the smallest. So that has to go first. So that's only leaves the answers B and D. So we can eliminate A and C. All right, the next smallest one would be this 41, which is this 10 square root of 17. So there it is. The answer should be B. All right, so question number 42. Which situation can be represented by this equation? So 18x is equal to 19 plus 2x. Crystal reads 12 pages per hour. Okay, so that could be the 12x for sure. John Doe reads 18 pages per hour, so that could be the 18x. How many hours would it take for Crystal and John Doe to read the same number of pages? So it doesn't mention that 19 at all, so F is not it. Next one, Crystal paid a deposit of $19. Okay, so that could be that 19 plus 18 per hour. So that's Crystal, and then John Doe paid 12 per hour. So the problem there is this shows 18. These are switched around, so it can't be G. Crystal installs 12 tiles per hour. That's the 12x. John Doe installs 19 tiles per hour, so that would be 19x. So that's not correct. The 19 does not have an x with it. Let's hope it's J. Crystal can make $18 per hour baby or tutoring. That's 18x. John Doe can make 12 per hour by tutoring. John Doe already has 19, so that's where that 19 is. He has the 19 plus then he can make 12 per hour. So yes, it is J. I think this is our last one for this recording. So it says a rectangle is graphed on a coordinate grid. Which transformation will result in a rectangle that is not congruent? Okay, the only one that changes size where it's not congruent is a dilation. So here it says a dilation, that's going to be it. Rotation does not change the size, so those are still congruent. And translation, same thing, reflection. All right, let me know if you have any questions.